Alright, so here we are on the Norwegian Breakaway. We are in Nassau. This gentleman appears to be distraught.
Use the word distraught.
And his family is not around. And it's 10 minutes past departure.
Not say distraught, you can probably say something.
And we're looking around here. We see nobody.
Oh, he's hopping in the van. He is hopping.
He's going ham.
This is fascinating.
I feel like we're watching OJ. OJ in the white Bronco.
Except it's not a Bronco.
It's a red.
Go-kart.
Okay. Same type of drama.
I might have a better view.
We'll keep an eye open. Now, what does he do? Does he leave his family here and get on the ship?
Does he?
Or does he stay behind? This is going to be interesting to see what kind of a man he is. I'd have to stay behind. I couldn't get on the ship.
Oh no, I'd probably get on the ship. No, I'm just kidding. Stay behind. Unless it was like Jack. If it was Jack, I'd probably leave him on the island.
That's good. Thank you. We have the family getting off here on the bus? Negative. No?
And now he's just about out of sight. Does he have his family?
Does he have his family?
Here comes. Dude. Oh my god, dude.
Oh my god.
They left him. He's done, dude. Dude, he's done.
They left him.
Oh my god.
He got his family!
He's got his family.
He just found his family.
No! No! Here he comes.
They left him and his family.
They left him. They went back to get his family. They leaving him.
Come back!
It's too late. It's too late. It's too late for them.
Oh my god, dude.
He jumps off the go-kart. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh. That's terrible. Dude, he's got to go back for them. He's got to go back for them.
He can't. He already left. Have fun in Nassau.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
They're stuck here with 3 kids. They have 3 kids.
What about the guy who works here with the cowboy hat? What is he gonna do? Yeah, dude, we're too far. They're gone.
Oh, that sucks.
That really does.